Hello guys, so you are welcome once again. Now let us go back to our render forest and let us continue our stuff. So now we have already created our logo animation. Next thing is to create our intro video. So I'll click on back to editing, or I'll just click on this logo here. Render forest, this logo here. I'll click on this logo. Then it take me to the home page. It should take me here. Then I'll search in render forest and search for intro video. Then I'll click on enter. So I'll search for intro video. So you see many intro video. You see different type of intro video. So you can just search for anything you want to render forest. If you want to search for, let's say you want to search for, let's say I'm going to search for hospital intro video. Let's say health intro video. You see that it will give me some things that will match my result. So can you see? Look at this here, hospital promo video. Let me search for hospital intro video. Okay, can you see that it's showing me hospital medical promo opener? So you see different things here. You understand? So, but let me just look for a random intro video to use here. You understand? Let me look for a random intro video to use here for this particular tutorial. So I'll be using this one, this live action medical stuff. I'll be using this one. Then I'll click on this create now, as usual. Create now. Then this one is just like an intro video. Is just like a short video, but it's not like the standard advert video. It's just like a short video, like just an intro video. You understand? Showcasing the brand. So I'm only going to click on this cancel. In case you see any pop-up, click on this cancel button. Then you will see all this interface. Now this is where things are about to get interesting. Now this particular video have 4 scenes. This is the first scene, the second scene, third scene, and this is the fourth scene. So that fourth video, it has 4 scenes. Sorry, it has 4 scenes. Now this is the first scene here. It's already clicked automatically. So I click on this first scene. Now this first scene you see that it will show you that type your text here. So you are going to click on this, type your text here, and type the text you want to use. Now let's imagine that I want to create this intro video for a medical, or let's say a clinic. You understand? I actually have a clinic that I'm working with. I actually have a brand. Let me check my Canva. I think I still have the logo. I think I still have the logo on Canva. So I think I still have the logo. So this is the logo. So I'm going to type the text. Let me just say, for example, I will just type something like, okay, let me go to ChatGPT and I'll ask ChatGPT for ideas of text that I can use for an intro video for a medical brand. You understand? You can ask ChatGPT or ask Meta AI, anyone you want there. So can I just go to ChatGPT and I'll type, give me a script for an intro video of a medical brand. You understand? Something like, so just of a hospital or clinic, of a clinic, for example, of a clinic. So it will give me some ideas. You understand? So the first one is where your health and comfort come first. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste it there. So I'll click on where your health, and I'll click on this place and I'm going to paste this stuff here. You understand? Then I'm going to click on this outside. I'll click anywhere outside. Then you go to the next scene. Then click on it like this. Then you see this. Enter your text here. You type your text here. Click on it, and I'm going to type the text there. So the next text is, let me click on, we are more than just a healthcare center. So something like that. I'll click on this. Now paste it here. Okay. I think something is wrong with this. So let me play. Let's see first. Okay. So in case this thing is giving you problem, maybe this website is giving you problem, because right now it's giving me an issue. In case it's giving you an issue the same way, so you can just easily go to the app. You understand? That's why it have website and app. It's not only website, it have website and it's also app. So in case the website is giving you an issue, so you can just go to the app and continue from the app. You understand? So I'm going to cancel. I'm going to come back, and I'm going to go to the app. So this is the app here, Render Forest. You understand? So Render Forest, you can just go to the Google Play Store or App Store and download the Render Forest from your stuff. So I'm going to go to Render Forest. Then make sure the app is updated. Then once you are in the app, you are going to type this thing. You are going to click on this place here. I think I'm already logged in the app. That's the reason. Click on this place and I'm going to sign out. So I think I'm already logged in the app. So I'm going to sign out from the app, and I will show you how it will be in your own interface. So this is how it will be in your interface here. You understand? So now you're just going to click on this place, this more here. Click on this more. Then you click on sign in here. Then I'm going to sign in with Google. You understand? But if you don't have an account, you can just sign up from this place. Sign up. But I think I believe that we all must have an account by now. So I'll click on sign in with Google, and I'll be choosing the Google account I was using before. So I'll choose this, and it's going to log me into this. Now you go to home, then you go to templates here. Go to templates here. You understand? Templates. Then I go to search for the template. So you can just come here and search for. You can search for hospital intro video, right? Then search for it just like the website. Then you are going to scroll down to see the video that you were creating before. So this is it here. This is the live action medical opener. This is what I'm creating for. Then click on create now. And this is very similar with the website. So click on create now. Then these are the 4 scenes. This is the first scene, second scene, third scene, and fourth scene. So you click on the first scene and you click on this pencil icon here. You understand? That's pencil icon here. Now the thing is that this Render Forest, they change their interface most time. Like from time to time, they change their interface. They update their interface. Now, if you know the basic, you don't need to worry about them changing the interface. You always know what to do if you focus on the basic. Don't just focus on what I'm doing only. Focus on the process I'm using. Because if you don't focus on the process, if they change the interface, you don't know how to use the website again or the app again. So you just focus on the process and you will be guided. Now, once you are here, just click on this place. Just type the text. Can you see? I click here, type the text. Then I'll paste the text that, and I click on done. Understand? Then I'll click on this close here. Then I'll go to the next thing. This is the next thing here. So I'll click this next thing. Then I'll click on this pencil icon also. Pencil icon. Then I'm going to paste the next text. So then I'll click on this done. Then I'll click on close again. And it's very easy. Then I'll click on this third scene. I'll click on this pencil icon. Then I'm going to type the text here again. So let's go to ChatGPT and let's copy the text again. So I place where compassion with professionalism. That is the last scene. So that's the second to last scene. I'll click on this click. Then I'll click on done. Then I'll click on close. Now the last scene is actually a logo animation. So the last thing is logo animation. Now this intro video can contain logo animation too. Now you see this place that they show you image, then text feed 1, text feed 2. This is the image here, logo, then this text feed 1, text feed 2. So I'll just click on this add image here. Add image. Then I'm going to click on gallery. And I'm going to choose the image that I'm going to choose this image. So for hair cleaning, then I'll click on this next text feed 1. Then I'm going to type the text here. I'll type for hair clinic. So then I'll click on text feed 2. I type the brand motto. You understand the brand motto. So the tagline, I'll type it. I'll type. Let me see. The tagline is Allah is okay. We are Allah instrument. We are Allah healing instrument. We are Allah's healing instrument. So instrument. So click on done. Then I'm going to click on close. Close here. Then I'm going to click on this style. So this style is it's telling that you can't change the style because you are using it free. You have to upgrade before you can change the style. So so just click on this music. You click on this preview. So skip this. Click on this preview. Then you're going to click on this fast preview with watermark. So because you're using a free account, you can't use watermark. You can't use that or HD watermark. This thing here. Then it will be downloaded for me. So if you are using the free Render Forest, you are going to download it with watermark. You understand? So it's going to have watermark. And but if you are using the pro version of Render Forest is very, very expensive. And the funny thing is that you cannot hack Render Forest. You cannot hack it. You cannot see Render Forest mode. If you say anything like Render Forest hacked version is a fraud, it's not possible. So Render Forest have huge security. So before you get the app, the pro version, you have to pay for it. And the pro version on the website is very, very expensive. Let me show you how much it is. So on the website, the Render Forest monthly is $39 per month. $39 per month. Nowadays the dollar is like 1,007 or 1,008 right now. So let me see $39 times 1,800. So per month you'll be paying 7,000 naira to use Render Forest Pro, as you can see on the website. This is Pro. There's even business. There's business. This one is much more higher, but the Pro is what we'll be using. Like the Pro is actually enough for you. So that is 7,000 naira per month. That's what you'll be paying if you're using the Pro version of Render Forest. And per year to be 7,000 naira times 12. So per year you're paying over 800,000 naira to use Render Forest Pro if you want to use it now. But then one thing that why is this thing this expensive? That is because Render Forest Pro have a lot of things you can do with it. Like many things you can do with it. See, like this Render Forest is the main tool that most video editing you are seeing online are using. Like most video editors online. Because it have like if it is that you might know the app they are using or the website they are using, but how to use it is the main issue, and also how to get access to the premium of Render Forest. With that, with premium Render Forest, you can create websites as you want on Render Forest. You can create many things. You can create graphics. You can create logos. That means you can create on Render Forest. That means you can create on Render Forest free, Render Forest Pro, and also you also have different resources. Like I cannot explain everything in this video. So now this Render Forest Premium, that is this cost, that is very cost. I actually have the Render Forest Premium, and it is not an app. I bought it myself. I bought it and I give it to my students in the paid course, because it's a paid course on video editing. In Sora Academy we have different courses. We have free courses on different skills. So we have a paid course on video editing too, and we have many students there too, and part of their bonuses is this Render Forest Premium, so they'll get to use it without paying anything. I provide charges for them, and they are going to use it without paying anything. I'm going to pay for everything for them, you understand? So it's part of the bonus of the paid students, you understand? So this one you are watching right now is one of the free classes we have at Sora Academy. So we have paid courses too. And but the thing is that you can't enroll in the paid course without you finishing the free course, like without you showing seriousness in the free course. So you cannot come and say that you want to enroll for the paid course right now and you get enrolled. It's not possible. Even if you bring all the money, you won't be admitted. So you have to first show seriousness in the free course before you can have access to enroll in the paid course and get all these bonuses. You get the point now. So don't message me to that you want to pay for the paid course or anything. You understand? No, because you have shown enough seriousness. Then we'll let you know when it's available for enrollment. So that's that for that. Now in that particular course, you also learn how to create Canva theme, like how to create your Canva theme, like Canva Pro theme. You understand? You learn different other things as bonuses. Those ones they are bonuses. The other things you learn. You also learn how to create something like this as a bonus. Let me show you. You are also going to learn how to create something like this with your smartphone. Look at this.
Guy, how people go take believe say na Abusiwa use AI create us like this?
They go think say na juju. They no go believe say we no be real.
My son, I no be real o. I be AI crafted by Abusiwa.
Now, even this prayer scene na AI o. We are all crafted by Abusiwa. the billionaire web designer. Out. All na AI video crafted by Abu Siwak. Now who they run now? Abu Siwak.
So this particular video was created with AI, and in that particular course, you're also going to learn how to create something like that as a bonus. So these ones I'm mentioning are not even part of the main course outline. You understand? They are just bonuses, and the course is actually very, very expensive. That's why we don't. The course is actually very expensive. That's why the free course, like our free courses, are very, very valuable. So that if you don't have money for the paid course, you will gain a lot of things too from the free courses. You understand? So that you won't be limited to not learning the skill. That's why we create more values in the free courses, so that if you don't have money to pay for the paid course, you can still benefit from the academy. You understand? So that's that for that. Let's move on. So as you can see, your video has finished downloading. So you can see it there. Now to see your video, you can just go to this template project. You understand? To see all your videos, and you see all your videos. Can you see, this is my first video I created. Can you see that? So that's where you see all your videos. Now, if you're on the home page, how can you locate this template project? So if you're on your home page like this, just go to this my videos. Then click on template project here. So to be here, then click on template project here. You will see all the videos I've created. In case you have already rendered the video and you do not download this, you can see it here. So click on these 3 dots and you can download it from here. If it's that you have not downloaded it before, so you see download here. 3 dots, then this is 3 dots here, then you see download. Sorry, my person, download is here. Can you see that? So the video has been downloaded, and I'm going to go to my gallery and I'm going to see whether the video has been downloaded truly. So you see render forest. This is the video here. As you can see, this is the first text we added, where your health and comfort comes first. Let's continue. So you can see that this render forest is this render forest logo. I've covered this text. So that is one of the disadvantage of this render forest free accounts, because it will cover the logo sometimes. So it will cover the logo will cover the text sometimes. So it's a mistake. We are going to do another template. But for me, I don't really mind. I don't really think of all this because I've already created. Like, I don't look at this video, like, for example, look at these videos. You see that these videos are actually very clean, no watermark of anything, because I have a premium account. I don't need watermark. So I download my videos. I download my videos without any watermark. You understand? So, and it's very clean. It will come out clear, very sharp. Can you see that? Very, very sharp. If you need the premium of render forest, you can enroll for the another advanced class. This is a much more advanced class. So this is just the beginner stage. There's an intermediate stage and the advanced stage. I'll see you in next tutorial. I remain Abu Siwak. Peace out.